everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a render with a video in the background. So it's essentially how to add a video behind your visual. So first of all, there are a few inspiring examples that can be useful. On my home page, if I click on collections and then on video right here, I can see different examples. So one of them will be, for example, using an animation background with color spots and a slightly different type of motion. So this is the kind of animation that you can create, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to add a video in the background. To do that, I go to my projects, I'm gonna select the one I want, and I'm gonna open this scene. So this is the two planes template. So for now, we've simply placed some pebbles on the ground for the object library, these ones right here. So first, to be able to add a video in your background, you need to switch the scene to video mode down here on the bottom right. Now that I switched from photo mode to video mode, which means I can animate my product, add a video background, and more. So I click on the background, and on the right-hand settings panel, I can see that the video option is now available. So I just need to click on it, and from there, I can access all the videos that have already been used on my account, and I can even reuse them if I want. So otherwise, I can click on the import file to upload new videos. For this scene specifically, I'm gonna use this background because it works well with the pebbles in my scene. And as you can see, when I click play, the background starts moving. So you can also increase or decrease the duration of the animation by clicking here, and it will still be the same video, so the animation, but it'll just be longer or shorter. And then if I don't want to stay on a fixed scene, I can also click on my product and select animation in the right-hand settings, and that will add an animation to it on top of the video in the background. For example, I can use the jump animation. You can use whichever animation you want. So here the product will move like this. You can also add multiple animations to the product if needed. I'm just expanding the video settings down here a little bit so it's easier to see. All I need to do is shorten the first animation. That way I'll have a jump in the beginning, and then I can click here to add another animation to my product. For example, let's do this one. Let's test it by playing the video. And there we go. So both animations are now applied to the product, and you can also animate the camera. So to do that, I go to camera, and then I'm gonna click on animated camera to add a camera animation. For example, this one moves the camera to the right, and you can combine different elements if you want, so it's worth testing to see what works best, depending on the animation already that's playing in the background. So here, I'm just adjusting the camera height a little bit. I'm gonna remove the animation effect on the product because I prefer to keep only the camera animation. And so here's the final result. So now you know how to add a video background to your renders.